Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring 2D shapes. Red color, blue color, white color, green color, black color, and the last one is yellow color. So kids, today we draw and coloring 2D shapes. Kids, today we draw star, pentagon, square, triangle, circle, and trapezium. Now we start coloring. Red color. First we draw the shape of star. Now we draw star. The shape of star. Now we use blue color and draw the shape of pentagon. Now we draw the shape of pentagon. The shape of pentagon. Green color. Now we draw square. Now we draw the shape of square and the next one is triangle. Black color. Now we use black color and draw the shape of triangle. Kids, now we use yellow color and draw circle, the shape of circle. The shape of circle, and the last one is trapezium. Kids, now we use white color and draw the shape of trapezium. Now we draw the shape of trapezium. So kids, today we draw 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.